My name is William Labbancz and I'm the real estate broker at Sailwinds Realty. Today I'm going to go over how to use IMAP tax to generate labels or generate a list of owners, property owners, within a certain area or within a certain development. So right here I've logged into IMAP tax, and from IMAP tax I've started a new search, and with this search I need to find the owners of the reserve at Sea Forest. So to do that, right under the subdivision tab, I've gone ahead and added in reserve at Sea Forest, and just select start, and here we are. We can see that there are a list here of 63 people. These are the 63 owners that match the legal description of the reserve at Sea Forest. So from this information I have two options from here. I can just go ahead and download the results as an Excel spreadsheet, or I can create mailing labels for the property owners. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and create mailing labels. Select owners, then I need to select the type of the template for the mailing labels. In this case I've selected Avery 5160. These labels, the whatever label it is that you purchase, should be on the box there, what the label number is, and then it automatically assigns some margins and everything with it. And from here everything is good. I'm going to just go ahead and generate labels, and it'll take a moment for it to load, and here it is. And you can see here it's gone ahead and organize them correctly. If I were to print this out with that particular mailing label there, it will print it out appropriately and on the right in line, so that when I peel the label off it's all correct and within the margins there. So let's kind of back up here a second and let's see if if we were to replace the development with maybe just a few streets. So to do that, back up here to the search again. This is just another clean new search, and at the bottom of the page here you'll see it says map search area. Instead of complete map area, we're going to select the drop down, select the map area, and then let's say we want to zoom in on the neighborhoods that are right here. Let's say for whatever reason, maybe I don't know the name of this development, or maybe I want to include multiple developments, not just one, but I want to hit the areas that are close by. There could be a number of reasons why. We have three options at the top here to select the group of people. We could either use a polygon, which is very helpful. We could use a square or rectangle tool here, or we could use a circle tool. So let's select the circle tool, and then we will say right here in winner circle, select there, hold the mouse down, pull it out, and let's say this area here, this radius is 1.48 miles. We want to communicate or send a message to all of these owners within that radius there. So that looks good to me. We'll hit confirm selection, and then we'll hit start search, and there we are. We have the owners that are within that 1.48 mile radius that was there. And the same process, we could either download the results or we can create a mailing label by doing either one of the selections here on the right hand side. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions with it, or need any help, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to explain something a little bit further in depth, or maybe make a different video on something else. Thanks so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to leave us a comment below. Have a great day.